This dog named Rookie was raised by a cow as his mother. They were inseparable, playing together, sleeping side by side. But one day, the cow was taken away to be sold by the owner. Rookie cried endlessly. His mom was gone. He was heartbroken. So he ran away from home, searching for her. The owner caught him and brought him back, but Rookie refused to eat. He sat all day waiting for his mom. Finally, the owner made a decision. The cow was brought back home, and Rookie, he was overjoyed. At last, reunited with his mother. Have you ever seen a bond this strong?